coverage you can count on.
He was a graduate of the Air Force Academy who went on to become a major in the U.S. Air Force.
About 2 years ago, Mark Herrera died from a gunshot wound to the head. His widow says it was suicide, but prosecutors say it was murder. Nancy Laughlin is here with more on this bizarre case that's drawing national attention.
Well, Amy Herrera says her husband was drunk when she claims he put a loaded gun in his mouth during a party. She says he forced her to pull the trigger. Now, once again, she is facing charges in his death. Amy Herrera, petite, brunette, widow, a woman accused of killing her husband. Today, his family in court, too, listening to all the details of what happened that July night 2 years ago.
But what have the last 2 years been like for you?
No way to describe it. Can't put it into words.
It was at the couple's home in far northeast Albuquerque, July 2012, that Mark Herrera died from a gunshot wound to the head. But exactly who pulled the trigger and how is in question. Investigators found Mark's body in the closet of the home. Amy told police her husband Mark grabbed her, straddled her, then put a loaded gun in his mouth. She told police,
"Put my hand on the trigger and the gun went off."
At first, Mark's death considered a suicide, but then investigators accused Amy of the crime. In June, though, the state Supreme Court ruled a prosecutor gave improper instructions to a grand jury. Now, once again, the case is back in court, where a judge will decide if there's enough evidence to move forward.
We waited a long time for today, and it's been a very long, painful, grueling process. We feel like this is our first chance for Mark's side of the story to be heard.
Now, this is an odd case because it will be a judge who decides if the case moves forward. Mark's family tells me they firmly believe he did not commit suicide. Amy's lawyers say she was defending herself when he forced her to pull that trigger. Back to you.
This hearing is expected to last up to 3 days.
4 new sex abuse lawsuits against the Archdiocese of Santa